Hello, everybody. I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. Right. Starting with Forex Factory, what we have that 30th of May. What is the news? 30th May is one heavy impact news. Consumer confidence, CB consumer confidence. So it's 3 p.m. in this UK time, yeah. And let's see what it says here. Actually greater than forecast good for currency. So if the value is for better than what is forecast, then it's good for currency. And as you can see, that it's most likely be, if it's at the moment, it's almost not much difference than what it was previously. So it may, if it's even this, because what we're looking at is gold current level as well. So gold is going down, as you can see in weekly, and in monthly as well is going down. And we're approaching the end of month as well, which is on Wednesday, day after tomorrow. So it is a strong rejection. The weekly is coming down, and if the news is good, is positive, then we may expect further down as per the week is concerned. And daily, as you can see, this is the order block here, this order block. And if this is broken, this is another order block here. So that's in terms of daily, we can expect 1800 level for long term. But for now, we can expect around 1900 area. If this level is broken tomorrow, especially if the news is positive. However, if the news is not, but let's see what's happening in 4 hours. See, in 4 hours, you can see that as well that this is a strong area in 4 hours as well. And if this is broken, the next level is this or even this. The movement market is here. And this is the 1900 level roughly. So here is the different levels. This is the next level up to the downside. However, if the market goes to the upside, what's going to happen? Where it can go? Market can go these levels around the 1975 level, 19, and this level. It's already testing this level. Right. For that, this has to break this level, which is around a 1935 level roughly. So it has to break this level to retest it, and this we can expect this around 1900 level roughly. 1905, 1900, that's the area where this can come to next. So we can expect a bounce back from here and then probably shoot to the downside. As we analyzed this previously as well, that's where the weekly situation, and market already tested this level. So now it can test this level, or even this one. Sorry, let me see if this is the correct level or not, because yes, it can retest this level around 1880 in terms of 4 hours. Yeah, Just need to move this a little bit. It come up to around 1890 instead, not 1880. So because of this order block here. So that's the situation. See how the Dixie is going. If the Dixie's movement is aligned with opposite with the gold, then we can certainly see our forecast to be more accurate. And now in Dixie is standing here in 1 hour. Let's see what's happening in 4 hour. Yeah, it's on if and daily. There is a scope for Dixie to go to the upside, as it looks like currently. It definitely can go to the upside. However, if it comes back from this level and go to the upside, that's another possibility in weekly. In 4 hour, and let's see daily first. So in 4 hour, in 4 hour, there can be rejection from here, or if this level is broken, we can say this up to this side. So there's high possibility to be broken because we are in upside trend. It's already in 12 hour. In 4 hour, the similar situation. If it's broken, we have this next level. So if this is broken, you can see the gold will go down. And if this comes to the downside, then gold will go to the upside. So let's see what happens. There's nothing 100%. Always manage your risk. Even your trades are analysis is good, but if you don't know how to manage the risk, or if you don't know how to manage the trade, that's not useful. Having just the knowledge of analysis. So to make money or be profitable in Forex, you must have good management skills, trade management, risk management. Otherwise, there's no point doing Forex, and you will not be able to achieve the results which you acquire, which you need. I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.